Welcome to the final PixyBot race of the Animal Locomotion and Bioinspired Robotics module. Visual guidance is an important task for animals and mobile robots. It requires the integration of active vision and motor control. Therefore, an autonomous robot race provides a test ground for the implementation of bio-inspired sensory motor strategies. The first Pixy race was held in 2019 with 7 student teams from the Animal Locomotion and Bioinspired Robotics module. This module features a number of device performance assessments which challenges the students to demonstrate their engineering knowledge and skills in real life. The Pixy race serves as the final assessment of the sensory motor control topic. The robots are driven by 2 continuous servo motors, controlled by a Raspberry Pi Zero. Each robot is equipped with a so-called PixyCam, a low-cost machine vision camera with onboard processing to determine the location of color-coded objects in the robot's visual field. This allows for the implementation of biologically inspired control strategies to keep the robots on track and maneuver around obstacles on their way. While the racetrack is packed with challenging turns and obstacles, the rules are quite simple. The PixyBots need to complete the course as fast as possible. Each team gets to run multiple attempts, and both the fastest 3 laps and the fastest lap overall are factored into the final score. Penalty seconds will be added to the final time whenever the Pixy racer leaves the track, where both wheels leaving the track results in a higher penalty than just one wheel. If the Pixy racer cannot find its way back or leaving the track results in an illegal shortcut, the referee will pick up the PixyBot and place it back to the last valid location on the track. Teams can also gain bonus seconds that will be subtracted from their final time if their robot successfully enters and completes an obstacle course, which is an optional subsection of the main track. Let's have a look at the racetrack now. This year's racetrack is a specially designed and scaled-down course around Hyde Park. The PixyBots start on Knightsbridge facing Hyde Park Corner and the Wellington Arch. They will then make their way up north on Park Lane before heading into Hyde Park for the first time. Here, the PixyBots are faced with their first 90-degree corners, which requires them to turn on the spot if they don't want to risk leaving the track. After a short left turn at the Marble Arch, the PixyBots then make their way back into Hyde Park along Carriage Drive. They will then drive around the Serpentine and back out north again. On their way out of the park, they are faced with omitted track markers, meaning the PixyBots have to navigate and stay on track with limited information. After making their way around Paddington Station, the PixyBots head south down Palace Gardens Terrace and drive through the roundabout of Round Pond. Afterwards, they will encounter their biggest challenge of the racetrack, the obstacle course down Kensington Gore and past Royal Albert Hall. The pink marker signals to the PixyBots that this is their chance to earn some extra points. If the team is able to make their PixyBot maneuver around all the obstacles, they will be awarded precious bonus seconds. But if they crash into the obstacles or leave the course, a hefty penalty will be added. Each team gets to decide if they want to attempt this bonus challenge or take the safer but longer route through South Kensington. Who's gonna be the winner of this year's Pixy race? Stay tuned for updates on the time and location to watch the live stream of the final race.